The concepts covered are: the circle, a line segment, perpendiculars, angles. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement, properties, and relationships of points, lines, angles, surfaces, and solids. Tools to be used for construction: we use the following tools in drawing geometrical shapes: a graduated ruler, the compasses, set squares, and the protractor. The circle. It is a round shape in which all the points of its boundary are at equal distance from its center. Construction of a circle if the radius is known. Drawing a circle of radius 5 centimeters. To draw a circle, we need a compass and a ruler to measure the length. Open the compass and measure the length of 5 centimeters using a ruler. Mark a point O, which we will use as the center of the circle. Put the pointer on the point O. Turn the compass to make a complete circle. Remember to do it in one instance. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line which has two endpoints. It has a fixed length so it can be measured using a ruler. Construction of line segment if the length is known. Drawing a line segment of 5 centimeters. To draw a line segment of a particular length, we need a compass and a ruler. First of all, draw a line L of any length and mark a point named A on it. Measure the length of 5 centimeters by putting the compass on the ruler. Put the pointer on 0 and open the compass till 5 centimeters on the ruler. Put the pointer at point A on the line and draw an arc of 5 centimeters which intersects the line of B. Hence the line segment of 5 centimeters is a B. Construction of a copy of a given line segment. To construct a copy of a line segment, the steps involved are: measure the length of the given line segment using a ruler and draw the line segment of the same length with the ruler only. Take a transparent sheet and trace the given line on another part of the paper. These methods are not very accurate, so we can use a ruler and compass to make an accurate line segment. Draw a copy of the line segment of B. Suppose a B is the given line segment whose length is known. Use the compass and put the pointer on A. Open the compass to place the pencil side on point B. Now the open compass is at the same length as given a B. Draw a new line L and mark a point C on it. Put the pointer on the point C. Using the same radius, draw an arc on line L which cuts the line at the point D. CD equals a B. Perpendiculars. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect such that the angles formed between them are right angles. Perpendicular to a line if a point is given on it, using a ruler and a set square. A line L is given and a point P on it. Put the ruler with one of its side next to L. Put the set square with one of its sides by the side of the already aligned edge of the ruler so that the right-angled corner comes in contact with the ruler. Slide the set square so that the right-angled corner coincides with P. Hold the set square. Draw PQ along the edge of the set square. PQ is the required perpendicular to L from the given point P. Perpendicular to a line if a point is given on it, using a ruler and compass. Draw a perpendicular of the line at a given point A. Take A as the center and draw a big arc with any radius so that it intersects the line at point B and C. Take B as the center and draw an arc with the radius more than AC, and then take C as center and draw an arc so that they intersect each other at point D. Join AD. AD is perpendicular to CB. Perpendicular to a line from a point which is not on it, using ruler and a set square. P is the point outside the given line L. Put the set square on L so that one side of its right angle comes on L. Put a ruler on the hypotenuse of set square. Hold the ruler and slide the set square until it touches the point P. Join PM. Now PM perpendicular to L. Perpendicular to a line from a point not on it, using ruler and a compass. P is the point outside the given line L. Take P as the center and draw a big arc of any radius which intersects line L at 2 points A and B. Take A and B as radius and draw arcs from both points with the same radius as taken before so that they intersect with each other. Join PQ. PQ is the perpendicular to line L. 5. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment, using transparent tapes. A line which divides the given line into two equal parts is known as a perpendicular bisector. Step 1. Draw a line segment tab. Step 2. Take a strip of transparent rectangular tape and put it diagonally on the line AB so that the endpoints of the line segment lie on the edges of the tape. Step 3. Take another strip and put it over A and B diagonally across the previous tape so that the two tapes intersect at point M and N. Step 4. Join MN. MN is the perpendicular of AB. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment, using ruler and compass. First draw a line segment AB. Take A as the center and draw two arcs, one upside and one downside with the radius of more than half of the length of AB. Or you can draw a circle taking A as the center for the convenience. Again, make the arcs with taking B as the center so that they intersect the previous arcs. Join the intersections of the arcs and name them as C and D. The required perpendicular bisector of AB is CD, hence, AO equals OB. Angle. Angle is the amount of turn between two lines around their common point. Construction of an angle with a given measure. Drawing an angle of 60 degrees using a protractor. Draw a line BA. Put the protractor on the line in such a way that the center of the protractor lays on point B and the zero edge comes on the line segment BA. Start from 0 degrees and mark the point C at 60 degrees. Join BC. Angle ABC is the required angle. Construction of a copy of an angle of unknown measure, using a ruler and a compass. First draw a copy of angle A. P is a point on the line L. Take A as the center in the given angle and draw an arc of any radius which cuts the two rays at B and C. In the line L, take P as the center and draw an arc with the same radius as above which cuts line L at Q. Open your compass to take the length of the arc BC. Take Q as the center and draw an arc with the same radius, to cut the arc drawn earlier, at point R. Join PR. It will make the angle of the same measure as given. Hence, angle P equals angle A. Angle bisector. Angle bisector is a line that splits an angle into two equal angles. Construction of angle bisector using a ruler and a compass. First draw the angle bisector of angle O. Put the pointer on O and draw an arc of any radius so that it cut the rays at point A and B. Put the pointer on point A and draw an arc of the radius of more than half of AB. While taking B as the center, we will draw an arc of the same radius so that it cut the previous arc at point C. Step 4. Join OC. OC is the required angle bisector of angle O. Hence, angle BOC equals angle COA. Construction of 60 degrees angle. First draw a line M and mark a point C on it. Take C as the center and draw an arc of any radius to cut the line at point D. While taking D as the center, we need to draw an arc of the same radius to cut the previous arc. Join CE. Angle C equals 60 degrees. Construction of 120 degrees angle. First draw a line M and mark a point C on it. Put the pointer on point C and draw an arc of any radius which cuts the line M at point D. While taking D as the center, we need to draw an arc with the same radius to cut the previous arc at E. Again, take E as the center and draw an arc of the same radius to cut the first arc at point F. Join CF angle FCD equals 120 degrees. Construction of 30 degrees angle. For the construction of angle of 30 degrees, we need to draw an angle of 60 degrees as above, then bisect it with the process of an angle bisector. Construction of 90 degrees angle. There are two methods to construct 90 degrees angle. First, draw a perpendicular bisector of 180 degrees, that is, a straight line. Draw a bisector of 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Construction of 45 degrees angle. First, draw an angle of 90 degrees, then bisect it to make an angle of 45 degrees.